Hello everyone, let's learn how to disable YouTube Shorts. If you're no longer interested in seeing YouTube Shorts, you can easily remove these videos from the home page on your mobile app. To do this, follow these steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open YouTube app on your device. And next, when you scroll down, you can see a section with the shorts. There are a couple of popular shorts, and to remove that shorts you need to tap on this 3 dots in top right corner of short. That will open side menu with this 3 options. After that, to remove shorts you need to click on not interested, and on that way you remove a short. So to remove all shorts you need to repeat this process on all shorts, and keep in mind this method is temporarily method, so this shorts will appear in couple of days, and you need again remove shorts, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.